it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You'll miss it.
Well, another Colt CZT in for a custom map. This one is Eland's. He's a long-term customer of ours. We've seen this car in many different formats with all different mods on it, and he is settled on these mods, and he's ready for his map. So we're going to map this today. It's got a Mitsubishi front mount intercooler. It's got a Dynodaze 4-branch manifold, 4-jar S valve, AM drive filter. Yeah, it's colourful. It's colourful. It's got some bronze BBS on it from the Volvo S40s. Could do with a clean, as Richard says. Look at that splitter. Yep, that'll certainly have your ankles off. Right, so we're going to do standard power runs as we always do. Make sure she's healthy. Health checks. See that she's ready to go. And then, as we say, we will get cracking. Make some videos, take some photos. Yeah. Well, there we go. Elan will be very happy with that. Lots of power across the rev range there, and finishing on 209 brake horsepower and 234 foot-pounds of torque. massive improvement. He'll certainly love playing with that.